Alright guys, welcome back to the Pitts Motorsports YouTube channel. Today we got a 2002 24 valve, latest one on the list right here. We just added to the collection. And it's got 120,000 miles on it. 126,000 miles on it. It's a sport edition, full drive. This thing's completely stock, bone stock. It's even got a stock Cadillac converter, muffler, everything on it. And in this case, P-pump conversion, baby. So we're going to get started taking out the whole front end on this thing so we can get everything pulled out and do a P-pump conversion I picked up a while back. P-pump taken off, the lines taken off, harmonic bouncer taken off the front. So we're going to get in here and get this front cover off, get this camshaft pulled, and front timing case. We'll get the other one put on. Almost. See, gotta get these two bolts out right here. Cam retainer bolts. That way we can get that cam pulled out of there. Tappet cover all the way off. New gasket, siliconed in. That's how you do it. You put that silicone underneath that gasket right there. Holds that sucker on, because when you build that boost pressure, it'll blow that gasket out. Everything's zip tied up. Let's see how we done it. If you can't get them up all the way, put two of them on it. And that'll hold it up all the way. Alright. Got all them zip tied up. Got everything out of the way. Let's pull this sucker out. You have to put it TDC, top dead center. If it don't come, turn it. You gotta get past them lifters. There we are, boys. Okay, whatever you do, don't set your cam down like this. You'll bend that son of a gun. Put it like this, or put something holding it flat. All the way, supporting it. Oh. Well. Oil pan's gotta come off now. Drop the tappet. Dang it, Dale. I heard it. Shucks. We're gonna be. Now we gotta do the oil pan gasket too. Dang it, Dale. Oh well. Yikes. Slide it right up here. There's your tappet. The what? There's your tappet. Yeah. Tappet we lost. Man. But there is all kinds. Oh man, boys.
Oh, we got pickers.
Oh crap. Where did this come from? Oh gosh. That's why all that metal is in here, boys. We got some serious metal in this machine. In this engine here. It's not looking too good. But, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna put this sucker together and we're gonna send it, baby. That's what we're gonna do it. We're gonna clean this on, gun. We're gonna put this sucker together. We're gonna pre-pump it. Use it for Cowboy Science, baby. That's a broken ring. I don't know if you can see it. Rounded, flat pieces of metal. Evidence of a broken ring. So this sucker might have blow by out the ass. And if it does, it just freaking does. But that's guaranteed that's what it is. It's either a broken ring or a broken piston gland. More than likely, it's a broken ring. I pulled out the oil pump here, and I don't know if you can see it. Maybe we can get this camera to zoom in just right. But right here on these gears on the pump part, you see where some definite metal have been through this pump. Kind of hard to see, but it's missing some chunks. But what are we gonna do? We're gonna clean it the best we can, get all the metal out, and we're gonna send it. See what happens, boys. Be some Cowboy Science. Here we go. My philosophy is, I don't know, we're gonna find out. We're gonna start by getting the tappet run up in there, and I'm gonna show you a little thing I rigged up to do that with. That's why the string is here. We're gonna run a string down through the motor and pull the tappet up to the bottom. Hopefully it works. We'll find out. Learning same as y'all as I go, you know. First time I've ever done one of these conversion swaps. I ain't trying to hide nothing from y'all. I just show y'all how I can do it. If it works, it works, and if we end up blowing up, we blow up, you know. I mean, I don't know what else to do about it. Hey, it is what it is, you know. We got this thing here. We'll try to run this in down through that push rod hole. Alright, I don't know if you can see. Let's see. See that string going down through the push rod hole? Down through the push rod hole. Coming out, I got the tappet here, and drove this little piece of wood down in there. Then I got this little hooks here. The line on there. We'll try to screw it down in the middle there. Tie that rope to it. Maybe I am. Maybe. I'm gonna let this little thing whoop my butt, man. Not on camera, I tell you. Get that little son of a bitch in there. Give it a little. You gotta hold it still, stupid. If you can tell, look at these loads here. And that's just gone. A little closer. See that shit? See that crap? No good, boys. So, I don't think we're gonna put this cam back in there. I was ready to put this sucker back in there, but under closer inspection, this can is shot, boys. It's smell good. Man, there's some nasty wear on this thing. Gonna do it for this episode of P-Pump Swap 24 valve gone wrong. We got a lot of metal in the oil pan, and we got a lot of crap to clean up. So I'm gonna get everything cleaned up, and like and subscribe for part 2. When we clean all this stuff up and put all this mess back together and see if it blows or goes. I'm the Cummins Cowboy, and you're watching Pitts Motorsports. Thanks, and get out there and get it done, son.